Careful, hon. Then you're going to yank it out this way, right? Hey, Kara, don't do that. And no screaming, girls.
Sean, you need to let Kara get out of the way.
Kara, get out of the way.
Kara, get out of the way. Not right now. Ty, can you help Kara on the swing right there? She just needs to get up on it. While I'm doing this.
Certainly we won't need that ladder again.
What are you laughing at?
Because we're not going to need that ladder again.
That's the second time we've just dropped it. He's getting up on it next time.
I'm like, he got you to get up there, huh?
Yeah.
This moss kind of stuff, this brown stuff I've never seen before. I wonder if this is from the fire.
From the fire. I don't know. I don't know. Come on, strong man. Use your muscles.
We think it looks like Grandpa has it bolted
Into
both
the
sides
tree?
of the tree.
Oh, nice.
We'll probably have to pull both ways and like pull one way.
Probably.
Half of it.
We're probably going to pull half of it down and the other half's going to be up there.
That's going to be really funny.
Dad, pull! Pull, Dad!
Look at this picture.
Pull!
Hold on, let me connect this real quick.
Let me see.
Does that look precarious or what?
I didn't realize it looked that. Oh, let's get on the cap.
There she blows.
Big money! Well, that's what I figured would happen.
Split, yeah, split in half.
I love all of it. Well, let's do this. Let's do that. Just needs to be this.
You know what Sean says to me when I give an option? He goes, well, now I can't use that one. I have to come up with it on my own.
I think that's just resting up there. I don't think that's...
One nail it's attached to.
Chris. No, do it again.
Nope.
Do it again.
Nope.
I already got it on video. Come on.
Okay, together a little closer, guys. Stand in front of it.
No.
Oh, you want to kiss?
Yeah.
It's not happening.
We're all going to be watching this, so whatever makes it interesting.
Yeah. Whatever you want to show us.
Hey, stay out of that.
Kara.
There's nails all over that. Stay away from me.
Well, Well, I thought that would be a good picture, except Chris was shouting.
Is it all off?
Well, apparently this is a 2-day project, so good thing.
Is it off, hon? Sweet. Show me the muscles. Come on. Honey.
Stop it. Yeah.
Come on. Show me the muscles.
Alright, I gotta go get ready.
I know. We gotta both get ready.